best girl finally appeared in the anime. Let's see what they think of her.
Dude, this girl's all over the place.
Gosh, girl. You might as well just knock her out, like...
She dying.
What the heck? This freaking girl!
Yep.
Yeah, knock her ass out, please.
Who gave her a knife? Who gave her a knife?
How does she keep getting the knife?
働かせたんです。風俗かデビルハンターしか選択肢なかったんです。私も大学に行きたかったんです。でもここで死んじゃうんです。
He need to die.
Girl, you're holding a knife. Can we
Yes, it fucking is. You're holding a knife with his fucking blood.
Push her ass over, bro, please.
Throw her.
Go put it down right now.
Yo,
She's
I'm
the
more
last
mad that
one who
they-
should have the knife.
They knocked the knife out of her hand.
He said, "Why is she still armed?"
I knew it. They love her.
食わせろ。